Right, now that we have discard, is that what we call it?
Yes.
Discard of the sourdough. I'm going to make some little basic sourdough cakes so that I can eat with my beet greens and onions from last night. So here we go, pan fry. I'm just gonna get a little spoon to scoop out some and then drop it in, and I'm not even gonna fuss too much. I'm just gonna throw the salt in on top. Okay, this is a no fuss recipe. Let's see how it comes out. Okay, here we go. Spoonful of thingamabob into the frying pan. I have the frying pan on low right now. Don't want to get my spoon dirty. Sprinkle a little salt on top. Okay, a little bit of black pepper. Okay, next one. We're making a creation here. Can you put on a headphone? I'm doing a video.
You're filming?
Yeah.
Right now?
Oh, you know, I can turn it off. Okay, so it's pretty good. Consensus is I need to put it in for a little longer, but not bad. Not bad at all for discards.